Welcome viewers again, and today's recipe, it's a flu medicine. As all we know, winter comes, everyone will have flu. Even my voice sounds like but it's okay. I'm going to show you, this is my mom who taught me how to do it, and I'm sharing it with you. So the ingredients are fresh mint leaves, 2 pieces of ginger. I chopped off one and I'm having it one about this size. And if you don't like too spicy, you may reduce it, or if you love spicy, you may add more, or just keep it to this size. 1 lemon sliced, and let's go in a pot of water here, and let's get started with the cooking. Let's turn on the stove to a medium high, and then we'll boil the water. Meanwhile, boiling the water, we'll add the lemon, and I'm going to chop the balanced piece of ginger. I'll be back with you. The ginger is chopped, so now let's add the ginger in. So viewers, let us wait until this pot of water been boiled, and I'll come back to you. Hello viewers, now we can see it is boiling. So this is how it's supposed to be, and it's supposed to boil a little bit more. So we'll continue for a few minutes. And now viewers, we are back, and here's some mint, chopped mint, and I'm going to add them and turn off the stove. And so we have added the mint leaves and we have turned off the stove. So let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes before drinking it. So get well soon for those who are sick, including myself. And please subscribe my video and like my video and share it with everyone. And if you would like to have more updates, click the bell button. Thank you.